Hi, welcome to Rick Snider's Washington, here on YouTube where you get the whole story. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I went to Charlottesville, Virginia for a couple of days right before training camp starts. Get away. Great town, has the University of Virginia there. It's kind of a small place, but it has some really great history you should go see. On the way down, stopped at Montpelier, which was the home of James Madison, president. If you've been to Mount Vernon, think of Montpelier as like third the size, but very well done. The house is very well done on the exterior. I couldn't go inside, unfortunately. The grounds are great. You see so much you can walk the trails. The gardens are fabulous. Definitely worth a stop. All right, then we go down to Charlottesville, and then I went over to Monticello, which I've been to before, and that's Thomas Jefferson's home, and it kind of rivals Mount Vernon as one of the nicest ones that you'll ever see. Jefferson had a long time to do it, but it was a good one. Then just around the corner, literally, is James Monroe's plantation. Monroe really never got to stay there, just here and there. House burned down years ago, so there isn't a whole lot there. But it's worth a stop, and it's only like 5 minutes away from Mount Vernon. So, I'm sorry, from Monticello, so why not? Then I decided, hey, let's go to see Walton's Mountain. Now, I've watched the Walton's TV show since the 70s. Didn't see it for a long time, and then during the pandemic, you're looking for something new, and found it on one of the cable channels, and saw quite a bit of the shows over the past year, 15 months. And you maybe see me, I'd like to go see that place if I'm ever nearby. And so I'm only about half an hour away. It's in southwest of Charlottesville. Kind of an easy drive. You go out there, the creator, Earl Hammer, who wrote about his family, which is the Waltons, he did it. His home is there. They have a museum, really great museum. Includes John Boy's room, like Godsy's store, everything around it. So that's worth seeing alone. Take a good hour. Not like the TV show, but, you take what you get. I'm Rick Snider for Rick Snider's Washington. Thanks for coming. I'll see you soon.